Hi guys, I'm here in KubeCon 2025 and I just bumped in a friend of mine, Matteo.
Ciao Luca, it's nice to meet you at KubeCon. Fantastic event, a lot of opportunity not only to see a lot of vendors and partners, but especially to participate in the open source community here of the CNCF project. We just been at the
Absolutely.
Kubeflow booths. A lot of interest, of course, in AI nowadays. So definitely, if you're looking for an MLOps platform, it's like you can find a lot of like-minded individuals that want to contribute from maybe coming from a DevOps background, but as well MLOps and data scientists trying to bring the same persona and leverage the scalability of Kubernetes now. For these really workload-intensive tasks. So it's more not only about application development, but indeed how to infuse ML and AI into your application. Indeed, using cloud-native ecosystems.
Wow, I think you touched a very interesting point because nowadays we have Kubernetes that is battle-proof and on top we have very interesting workload. How do you see that this industry is going?
Well, there is a lot of momentum and there is a lot of interest. Actually, here at the KubeCon, you will find as well some of the providers of hyperscalers that are really focusing in providing really reusable tools and use scalability, the elasticity of Kubernetes. You want to mutualize the resources that you may have. I mean, everybody wishes that can have a powerful workstation, to do your experiment and maybe use it also for gaming at times. But the reality is that for especially the big amount of data that you require for doing some training or some alignment tuning, it's better to mutualize the resources. This is actually where Kubernetes really helps a lot. And that is why a lot of projects such as Kubeflow indeed reuses this power and make it available not only indeed to software developers, but now to, I would say, machine learning engineers, data scientists, and AI engineers. So I'm actually the thing that really interests me the most is where this emergence of the AI engineer and using Kubernetes as the common ground, the meeting point where finally maybe now we have the combination of the resources, the scalability, so all the capabilities that we provide, and as well the people, so the different personas. So it's not a platform just per se, but it's really how you can make the best use of the resources that you have and really be better together in this way.
Yeah, absolutely, because it's not only about inference service, it's how
Exactly.
you can deliver value in your organization. And well, first, I love your T-shirt.
Thank you so
You
much.
guys, look at it, it's
Of
crazy.
course.
And I know that you are pretty involved in AI with Red Hat.
Yeah.
Is it right?
Correct. I'm working OpenShift AI engineering, and of course, we are providing a platform on top of OpenShift. So again, on Kubernetes, specifically tailored, going from indeed from the training, alignment tuning, and indeed the inference, which is very big nowadays, especially because in different customers or even third parties want to have their models provided for inference locally. And this is where there is a project in CNCF such as Kserve that can integrate with different serving runtimes such as VLLM. So think that you can bring your model and you can have it internally. So the privacy, it's governed within your own application. And one thing that I'm looking forward to do now is how we can use a lot of the security and safety aspect that we have from container images, how we are used already as software engineers to make sure that the application is correctly signed, attested for throughout the pipeline, how we can apply the same concept to machine learning and AI. Think about the fact that you have a model that has been aligned and tuned, and you are deploying it into production because you as a company, you're infusing your AI application now with this model. So when the audit will come, you will need to be able to provide information about where was the model deployed? It was this model. Are you sure that it was the model? How can you prove it? Which
Don't do
data?
Java, kids. Don't do Java.
No, we didn't get about Java yet. He's a good friend of mine, and it's actually this is the part where I see Java folks interacting with Python a lot because I feel that the enterprise developers that are on Java, on Kubernetes, now actually have a lot of tools that can use to integrate and infuse AI in their application. Not only about LangChain4j, I'll say on Quarkus as well, but as well with MCP. That is, I think that we are just
MCP.
on the verge on this one, and it will be very interesting to see where we will meet in the middle on top of Kubernetes, and as well in the using a lot of these CNCF projects that are reserved. I'm so enthusiastic about it. And
I
can't wait to share
see
more.
your emotion. That is super great, and I know that you also have a YouTube channel.
I do.
So how my friend can keep in touch with you?
Absolutely. Thank you for this. I have a YouTube channel. It's very much of a hobby. Matteo Mortari, you will find it by just searching for it. And I try to share, you will find a lot of the video of the past Java background that I have. And now I'll try to do a little bit of Python and this safety for AI, and how to show how we can use cloud native tools, technologies, platforms to indeed infuse our application that may or may not be developed with Java, okay, full disclaimer, but how we can infuse really AI in a safe and really cloud native way in the application. And of course, Luca is like, I'm following your content a lot, it's super interesting. So if you're stumbling upon this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video that you're doing.
Absolutely, guys. Let's support each other and let's build a wonderful, great community. Thank you so much, and let's create a wonderful future together.
Absolutely. Enjoy KubeCon.
Bye.
Ciao.